Your thumbnail is the single most important thing you make. You can pour 10 hours into a video, but if the thumbnail's weak, nobody clicks and the whole thing dies. So today, I'm ranking the best free AI tools for making thumbnails. And I mean actually free, not free trial that locks your image behind a paywall until you hand over 20 bucks. I'm putting at least 5 of them into a tier list, S through D. S tier is the stuff you should be using today. D tier is the stuff you should run away from. Some of these surprised me, and at least one big name everybody recommends is going way lower than you'd expect. Let's get into it. Quick ground rules, so this is fair. To make it onto this list, a tool has to have a genuinely usable free tier. Not a 3-image trial, not a watermark you have to pay to remove. Real, usable, free output. I'm judging each one on 4 things. Image quality, how well it handles text on the thumbnail, how easy it is to actually use, and how generous the free tier really is. Quick reminder too, there's a difference between a pure AI image generator and a dedicated thumbnail tool, and I'll point that out as we go because it matters for how you'd actually use each one. Alright, let's start from the bottom and work our way up. Starting at the bottom, D tier, Craiyon. You might remember this one from a few years back when it was called DALL-E Mini, and it was the meme generator everyone played with. The good news, it's still totally free with basically unlimited generations and no account needed. The bad news, that's where the praise ends. The output quality is low, the resolution is small, and the free images come with a watermark. For thumbnails, where you need sharp, high-resolution, clickable images, it just doesn't hold up in 2026. It's a fun toy, not a thumbnail tool. D tier. Moving up to C tier, Leonardo AI. This one's a bit of a mixed bag for thumbnails specifically. On the plus side, the free tier is generous. You get around 150 tokens a day, which is roughly 30 images, across multiple models including Flux, and there's no watermark. It's also got a built-in canvas for editing. So why only C tier? Because Leonardo is built for creative art and character generation more than punchy YouTube thumbnails. The interface is more complex than the others, there's a bit of a learning curve, and it's overkill if all you want is a quick thumbnail. It's a powerful tool that happens to be able to make thumbnails rather than a thumbnail tool. If you're already into AI art, bump it up a tier for yourself. For pure thumbnail speed, C tier. Now we're getting into the good stuff, B tier. Microsoft Designer / Bing Image Creator. These both run on DALL-E, they're completely free with a Microsoft account, and crucially, no watermark, with commercial use allowed. Bing Image Creator gives you a chunk of fast generations a day, and then effectively unlimited slower ones, which is genuinely hard to beat on volume. Designer adds a cleaner, non-designer-friendly interface on top. The reason it's B and not higher, the content filters are pretty strict, which can be annoying when you're trying to make a dramatic or edgy thumbnail, and the text rendering, while decent, isn't best in class. But for free, watermark-free, commercially safe images with good quality, that's a genuinely strong B tier. And for a lot of people, this is the practical pick. Canva, free tier. I'm putting Canva in B as well, but for a different reason. Canva's actual AI image generation is fine, not amazing. But Canva's superpower is that it's a full design tool, so you can generate or drop in an image and add your text, your branding, your layout all in one place, which is exactly what a thumbnail needs. The free tier is watermark free for most of what you'll do. The catch is the free AI generation has limits, and the best stuff is behind Canva Pro. As a free all-in-one thumbnail finisher, solid B tier. Playground AI. This one's a genuinely generous free option. You get around 100 generations a day, the photorealism is strong, and the interface is clean and beginner-friendly, almost more of a design workspace than a plain generator. It's great for quickly turning a rough idea into a usable image. The one thing holding it back from going higher, the free tier adds a watermark to your images, which is a real problem for thumbnails, since you don't want a watermark sitting on your clickbait. If they ever drop that, it climbs. For now, the high free volume and solid quality landed at B tier. A tier. This is the you should genuinely be using this zone. Ideogram. This one is the text specialist, and for thumbnails, that matters enormously. Ideogram was built by ex-Google Brain researchers with one obsession, making AI actually render readable text inside images. And it delivers. Independent testing puts its text accuracy in the 85 to 95% range, which is miles ahead of most competitors that sit around 30 to 40%. It's got a genuine permanent free tier, roughly 10 prompts a day, which gets you around 40 images, no credit card needed. So why A and not S? Two reasons. Its photorealism and artistic range lag a little behind the very top tools, and Gemini now matches it on text while beating it on overall image quality and free volume. But if your thumbnail is text-heavy, big bold words, a title baked right into the image, Ideogram is fantastic and completely free to try. Strong A tier. Adobe Firefly. Here's why Firefly earns an A. Assuming its free tier is still around when you watch this because Adobe has been tightening it. When it's free, it gives you a small number of generative credits a month. The output is high quality and watermark free, and here's the kicker. It's the only one trained exclusively on licensed and public domain content. That means it's commercially safe in a way the others legally aren't. If you're a brand or a business and you're nervous about the copyright grey area of AI images, Firefly is the safe choice. The tiny credit cap is the only thing keeping it out of S tier. For peace of mind plus quality, A tier. Just double check the current free limits before you rely on it. And now, S tier, the best free thumbnail tool you can use right now. And honestly, it's not even that close. Google Gemini, also known as Nano Banana. If you've heard creators throwing around the name Nano Banana, that's the nickname for Google's Gemini image model, and it has quietly become the best free thumbnail generator on the market. Here's why it runs away with S tier. First, text rendering. This is where almost every other AI image tool falls apart. You ask for text on a thumbnail, and you get garbled alien gibberish. Nano Banana's higher-end version reportedly hits around 94% text accuracy, compared to roughly 60 to 70% for most competitors. For thumbnails, where readable text is half the battle, that's enormous. Second, it's fast and free. You get a solid number of free generations a day through the Gemini app. Enough to iterate, try multiple angles, and A/B test concepts. Third, it actually understands thumbnail composition. You can prompt it with specifics, 16:9 aspect ratio, leave a clear text zone on the left third, dramatic lighting, and it follows the instructions. It generates multiple variations so you can pick the strongest one. Now, two honest catches, because I'm not going to pretend they don't exist. First, the free tier does add a small visible watermark, a little Gemini logo down in the bottom right corner when you download. Here's the thing though, the image inside the chat preview is clean, the mark is faint and easy to crop or cover, and since you'll almost certainly be adding your own text and elements on top in a design tool anyway, it rarely survives to your final thumbnail. Second, it's a generator, not a finishing tool, so you create the base image in Gemini, then add your final text and branding somewhere else. Neither of those is a deal breaker, because the raw image quality and text rendering are just that far ahead of everything else. Easy S tier. By the way, if you're creating content and you're tired of manually posting everywhere, check out repurpose.io. It's a content automation tool. You build a workflow, pick where your content comes from, pick where you want it to go, and once it's set up, repurpose.io automatically publishes it across all your platforms for you. Links in the description. Go try it out. So let's lock in the final board. S tier, Google Gemini, Nano Banana. The best free thumbnail engine, full stop. Just crop or cover the little corner watermark. A tier, Ideogram, the text rendering king with a real free tier, and Adobe Firefly. Top quality and the only commercially safe option, held back only by a small monthly credit cap. B tier, Bing Image Creator and Microsoft Designer for free, watermark free, high volume generation, Canva as your free all-in-one finisher, and Playground AI for generous free volume, held back by a watermark. C tier, Leonardo AI, powerful and generous, but built more for art than for fast thumbnails. D tier, Craiyon. A fun, unlimited, but low-quality toy that just can't keep up for thumbnails in 2026. So that's my ranking, but I want to hear yours. Do you think I put any of these in the wrong tier? Is there a free tool I missed that you swear by? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and if enough people back a tool I didn't cover, I'll test it for a follow-up. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI breakdowns. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.